Today we're showing you a 2018 John Deere 5065E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Has a 520M quick attach front loader that goes right with the tractor. Tractor has just under 300 hours on it. It's a very clean, very nice tractor. Again, does come with a 520M loader, global style hookup for your bucket connection. Bucket looks new. A bit of a missing sticker up here, but overall, paint on the tractor and loader is excellent. Tires are excellent. Corner post exhaust. Looking for a clean tractor to do some haying or handle bales, anything of that nature. This would make a really nice fit for that. Has the 540 and the 540E PTO. Rear hydraulic outlet back here. Stabilizer bars. Looks like we had a little bit of damage here to the fender that we touched up a little bit here. It's going to be kind of hard to see, but if you look real closely, you are going to be able to see that. Inside the cab, it's got the suspension seat here for the operator, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Pull left of the seat here, you've got your 540E selector and the yellow knob back behind the seat, and then on the black knob you've got your four-wheel drive engagement lever. Over here to the right, you've got your two main transmission sticks, 3 ranges on the short lever, 4 synchronized gears. On the larger lever, it gives you a total of 12 speeds. Loader control also within easy reach. 3-point hydraulic controls all to the right, also your hand throttle and PTO to the far right. Up top we've got the climate controls, rearview mirror, Sunvisor, all that good stuff. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty, which runs into June of 2023. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. We stock approximately 150 used tractors on our yard. If you have any questions regarding this 5065 tractor or any of our other units, please contact us at massedtractor.com.